Hello, today we're going to change the spark plugs on a Mercury 4-stroke. Underneath the cowling, you'll see the maintenance schedule. Your spark plug should be changed every 300 hours or every 3 years. Come over, here are the spark plugs. To the right of that will be emission control information. Spark plug numbers right here. Here's the torque specs on the spark plug. These are the spark plugs we're using. You just have to remove the spark plug wire. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. Just grab the spark plug boot right here. Pull it out. You're gonna loosen them all. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're all labeled. There's a 5/8 spark plug socket. Just got the rubber piece inside to be able to lock down the spark plug. Pull it out. Break it free. There's number 2. Number 3. 4 is hard to get to, so I put the socket up in there. Swivel extension. Got a socket on there. Got the swivel extension on there. And I got a ratchet with a flatter head to make it, that space is very tight. That'll help you. So I like the way Mercury makes all the DIY stuff pretty easy, but they should have did a better design getting to this 4th plug. They don't give you much room to work. Number 4. They weren't pre-gapped. I gapped them to the specifications. Let's put them all back in. Alright, tighten back up. This will be your hardest, number 4. Everything after that will be pretty easy. Put number 3 back in. Put number 3 back in. Just hand tighten them all the way down, and then just gonna half turn once they seat. Just gonna hand tighten them. I would recommend you use the 20 foot-pounds. Number 2. Number 1's installed. Double check all your spark plug roots, make sure they're pushed in. Get your earmuffs and fire it up, give it a test run. Hope this video helped you out. Making change your spark plugs easy. Change spark plugs on a 150 4-stroke. Got all the information for your spark plugs, your torque specs, your maintenance intervals, all on the motor. Hope this video helped you out. Go out there and save you some money. Thanks for watching.